My name's Alan, and this is my Unity 4 presentation. So my idea for my game was inspired by Golf It and other golf games that I also enjoy. I like these games because I also play golf myself, so I can sort of relate to it. I wanted to create a simple 3D game to learn more about game creation. During this class, I learned about Pro Builder and Unity Physics callbacks, which I also used in my project. Unity Pro Builder is a tool that helps you create custom 3D shapes to add onto your game. I used Pro Builder to create nearly all of my 9 holes in my game. Unity Physics callbacks is a Unity code that detects when balls enters or touches something, and then it tells the game script what to do next. And here's some examples of what I learned. For the Pro Builder, you can see that I can select different faces and sides of a shape, and then I can change it however I want. And for Unity Physics callbacks, for this code up here, on collision enter basically tells the game whenever something touches the object, the game will go to the next hole. And on trigger enter, whenever something touches that thing, then the golf ball will also respawn. Here's a little demo of my game. This is a menu. If you press the play button, you'll enter the game. To hit the ball, you have to click and drag the ball. And on the left, you can see there's a bar, and that's the power bar. There's a strokes counter on the top right that counts your strokes. The different obstacles on this course, for example, on this hole, you can see there's like a moving square and that blocks your shot.
Nice shot. Not a lucky bounce, though.
Yeah.
Nice, looking good.
Yeah. My favorite part about working on this project was working on the map and designing the holes with Pro Builder. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would improve the visuals because right now it looks pretty plain and boring. I could probably add like decorations to it. I also need to fine tune the golf physics because it's pretty wacky sometimes and it stays in the air for too long. I also need to set up an out of bounds system because as you saw earlier, if the ball goes out of the hole, it doesn't really respond.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.